Hello, welcome to this quick overview of DropVessel. My name is Jeremy. I'm one of the co-founders of DropVessel. We're located in San Diego, California, and we're a new startup that allows you to have 100% automatic order fulfillment of all of your Shopify orders. Step number one, I'm going to connect into the DropVessel system by going to login, and here I'm going to enter in my DropVessel account, which is actually the same as my Shopify store domain that I'm linking it to. Now, once we're logged in, we're going to be presented with what's called the main dashboard. The dashboard is where you can go and sync products that are going to get imported into your Shopify and automatically fulfilled by the DropVessel system when a customer makes an order. There's three different buttons. There's the synced products, the digital wallet, and the manage of the settings. Now, in order for me to actually start using DropVessel, I need to connect DropVessel to the Shopify store. Step number one, I'm going to go to view details. And I'm going to be presented with this little box that's asking me to enter an API key and a password. If you're not technical, don't worry. This is not very complex. All we're going to do is we're going to click over to our Shopify store, and I'm going to go to where it says apps, and I'm going to click on where it says manage private apps. Once I click on manage private apps, you're going to see here a key. Now, this key is showing for me on this demo because I already created a key for time's sake. However, when you first go in here, you're not going to have a key. You're going to have to click on create a new private app. And here you would just type in, for example, the name of the app, and you would put in, for example, the DropVessel contact email if Shopify ever needs to reach us. Once that's done, you just go and set the permissions accordingly. And finally, you would click save. For the purposes of this, I'm going to cancel. Now, I already have an API key and password, and you too will have the same thing. So we're going to copy and paste that into the DropVessel settings. Very simple. And we're going to now attempt to connect. As you can see, it says not set up. Let's connect. Perfect. Now it says successful. Your Shopify store is now connected with DropVessel. What just happened in the background is we established the connection, and I want to show you what actually is going to appear if we go into the Shopify settings, into the shipping component. You'll see here that there's now what's called a DropVessel carrier service. This was just automatically installed on your behalf. And in addition to that, you can see that the active dropshipping fulfillment services is now set to DropVessel. This is some of the things that are happening in the background for you automatically when you connect the DropVessel system. As you can see, it says connected, so now we're ready to go. The DropVessel system uses what's called a catalog, and this catalog may look similar to maybe a traditional e-commerce store, except this is very unique. It's unique because you don't actually buy any of these items. You're just simply going to be looking through items that you wish to add to your inventory in the DropVessel and ultimately have imported into your Shopify store. The products are different niches. We support all kinds of niches, and what you see here is not all of the inventory we have. We have access to all kinds of products. Our system is very unique because it's able to connect into our partner, which is a large-scale Chinese warehouse infrastructure, which provides us with incredible logistics. So, for example, if I wanted to go into toys and hobbies, right now we have some baby toys for this demo. And there's different sorts of products here that I can add, and you can see that there's different stock levels. Now, if I click on any of these products, you can see that there's a different sort of details, descriptions, whatever you need to learn about the product for you to decide if it's something you want to ultimately add to your Shopify store. So in this example, let's go here. It says there's 1,240 in stock. When we tell you that this is the stock, we truly mean that this is the stock that is guaranteed available. You don't have to worry if it's available or not because that's one of the benefits of using this system. I'm going to now just show you how you can assess what the actual price would be for you because this is the price without shipping for this particular product. So I'm going to get shipping rates. And when I click on this, I have the opportunity to select any country in the world because DropVessel can ship globally. almost every product has the ability to ship anywhere. In this case, I'm in the United States and I want to ship this product to my US customers. That's where I'm targeting my traffic for my Shopify store. So I'm going to click on Get Rates. This is going to do a live carrier lookup. And when you do this, it's presenting you with a variety of different shipping options that we have access to. Now, all of these are showing your shipping fee, followed by delivery time, online tracking availability, and finally the items shipping plus the price. So in this case, it's $413 plus $210 gives us the $623, and you can go and look at that for all the different rates that you may be interested in. Let's assume I want to add this to my cart. I'm going to click Add to Sync Cart, and it says that it was added. I'm going to do one more item. We're a online baby store, so I'm going to go and add maybe this product here, and I'm going to add that to my sync cart. Now you'll notice that we have two items that are here. If I go to View Cart, we can see the products that we want to synchronize with our DropVessel account. Proceed to checkout, confirm the order, place order. After a few moments, the DropVessel system is going to take these products and add them to your product sync list. Excellent. As you can see here, the order was received. Your dropship inventory request has been received. It is now syncing with Shopify. This is our store. Perfect. I'm going to now show you how you get this inventory into Shopify and how you set the prices that you'll sell to your customers. My DropVessel. First thing you may notice, two synced products. Let's click on that. And you'll notice that it says here status regular supply, and it shows you the available stock level as well as when you added it to your DropVessel, and finally, maybe one of the more important details, the last time it synchronized with Shopify. In this case, we just added these products, so they're currently showing unavailable. There's no synchronization yet occurring. It usually will take only a couple minutes for us to get them into the system. This is all happening automatically in the background without you having to do anything. Now, we do let you also know if a product is, for example, regular supply, or if it's an end-of-life product, or if the product somehow is on clearance. There's different statuses, but you as a dropshipper are going to ultimately want to know if this product is in regular supply and if the product is available in stock. Some products, in addition to this, will have what's called in-transit information, which will enable you to know when more stock is coming into the warehouse. These two particular products are only showing the status and the available stock, but this is more than enough information for me to use. Now let's go back here to my DropVessel. While I'm doing that, I just want to quickly show you the digital wallet. Now, the digital wallet is a little bit different than maybe what you're used to if you're familiar with like a traditional maybe AliExpress dropship fulfillment model. Because of the fact that this is 100% automated, when an order is processed through the Shopify system and sent to DropVessel, the DropVessel is going to automatically purchase and make a buy for the item. So to do this, you have to deposit funds into a wallet. This digital wallet will record every single time that an order is processed and an order is fulfilled. And it will automatically reduce the balance, and when the balance hits a certain threshold, we will notify you automatically to alert you that the balance is low and that you should now re-up the balance to make sure you do not have any delays in the processing of your dropship orders. Now, when I go back to my DropVessel and I go to synced products, you may notice that the Shopify last sync now is showing 2 minutes ago. The reason it's showing that is because this, in theory, should automatically have now been added to my Shopify store. It should be imported. So let's just check to see if that's the case. If I go to the Shopify store and I click on our products, you're going to notice now that we have 2 products showing. And this is very nice because now I don't have to actually do anything such as data entry the product or set any sort of images or anything like that. DropVessel takes care of sending that information into Shopify for you. And of course, if you don't want the title to look like this, you can modify it. You can change the images, and the stock is set up. It says, as you can see, inventory is managed by DropVessel. This is real-time stock that's automatically synchronized. Now, the first thing you will want to do when an item is added is to set the price, because if we look here, you'll notice that it currently shows unavailable. It's unavailable until you set a price. Let's do that now. I'm going to set this to, let's say, $89.95. These are completely just made up numbers just to show you, and I'm going to go to manage, and we're going to set this to show up on the online store and save it. That's it. That item is now officially available to our customers, and we can now sell this product and have it automatically fulfilled by DropVessel. Let's click on the next product. Okay, I'm going to go down to the bottom here, and we're on Shopify's site, and I'm just going to set all of these variations because this particular product has different colors. I'm going to just do a bulk change price. We'll make all of these, for example, let's say $12.95. As you can see, they're all $12.95, and nothing I'm doing here is actually related to DropVessel. This is all standard Shopify process. So I'm going to click save. And in a moment, you will see that we now have two products that are ready to go. So let's see how this looks. I go to my online store, I go to view the store, and you can see here when I go to catalog that we have two products showing. These are the two products that are now fulfilled by DropVessel. And if I was a customer, I can go and look through this product, and if I want, I can go and add this product, and I can buy the product. So in this example, let's assume that I'm now an actual buyer. I'm an online shopper. So you have to flip the switch now, so to speak. We're no longer going to demonstrate the seller side. So I'm a buyer. I like this product. I add to the cart, and I'm going to go and do a checkout. Now, when you do a checkout with our system, we actually do a live carrier shipping rate lookup. This means that it's going to automatically find the best shipping options, and we can kind of modify this a little bit to provide you with certain shipping options that you want to provide your customers. But for the demonstration, you're going to see just a quick example of how this works. So I'm going to just put some fake information in here to demonstrate the example. Now, when I click continue to shipping method, as you can see, it says, please wait while we fetch available rates. And these are actually live rates that are being calculated based on the destination of this particular customer's country as well as the product. So in this case, I'm going to choose the option that says America Priority, which is the default option, and we're going to continue to our payment method. I'm using a test credit card system for Shopify for the demonstration. So we're going to put that in there, and let's see how this goes. Let's complete that order, and it's being processed. Perfect. It says the order went through, and in a couple moments, if I go and jump into the online store now and I go to orders with Shopify, we can see that there's a order that just came through just now. This order is order 1007, and it's currently unfulfilled. And if I go into that order, we'll notice that the order shows that it already was fulfilled. Now, that is extremely fast. Now, this is a demonstration, and typically you're not going to see a fulfillment occur that quickly. But this is actually very nice because it shows you that the scheduled order happened, it was fulfilled, and it automatically is now closed up. So it's very quick, it's happening in the background, and you can also notice that there's tracking information. This tracking information shows the carrier as well as the tracking number, and if we go here to our emails to see what Shopify sent us, we have here the confirmed order, which is from Shopify, and we should be receiving quite soon another email in the next few moments that's going to reflect the shipping. Now, bear in mind, this is a demonstration. The actual dropship processing time when an order is placed generally will take a couple hours. Now, this obviously happened way faster because I'm demonstrating it to you, but you have to remember a couple hours is the norm. Moving forward, there's the email from Shopify. It's reflecting that the order is now on the way, and if I click on this, I can go and look to see that the order was shipped. It's confirmed, and there's a tracking information. So that just shows you the automated fulfillment aspect of the DropVessel system. If I go to my DropVessel, you'll notice also that the digital wallet is reflecting a lower balance. That's because if we go to our details, we'll notice that the order is withdrawn, right? It's tracking that order to that specific Shopify order. Everything is tracked. This is a great system. We really feel that we can help many people. Just because there's only certain products showing on our catalog as of now does not mean that we don't have access to those products. We are able to provide very competitive pricing, and we're excited to get this out to you all. If you have any interest in this, if you're somebody who can benefit from this, if you're doing high volume sales, you're looking to scale your dropship business, and you just want to be able to get those products in there and processed and not have to really worry about too much, this is a great way to do it. Again, this is called DropVessel. My name is Jeremy. I'm one of the co-founders of this startup. We're out of San Diego, California. We're looking forward to working with you. Please get in contact with us. You can reach us via the YouTube, or you can come to our dropvessel.com website. That's going to be www.dropvessel.com. Fill in this form. We'll schedule a demo. We'll get to learn more about what you're trying to accomplish, and we're here to help you. Hope all is well. And again, thank you so much for watching this video and giving us some of your time. Have a great day.